1, 2, 3, 4. All these saints and angels bow before your throne. All the elders cast their crowns before the Lamb of God and sing, "You're worthy of it all. You're worthy of it all. Yeah. For from you are all things, and to you are all things. You deserve the glory. Day and night, night and day, let incense rise. Day and night, night and day, let incense rise. Day and night, night and day, let incense rise. Day and night, night and day, let incense rise. You're worthy of it all. Anyway, what's up, Jooba people? Welcome to this lesson. Today we're learning to play Worthy of It All, if you haven't noticed from the title. And this song is an amazing worship song. It's so fun to play, and it's just such a nice flowing song. It's just nice to go through the different sections. It's got a really nice instrumental section, and it's got some interesting chords, especially there in the bridge where it's got the B minor, like the same as the previous song in this course that we're doing, the worship guitar course 101. It's got the B minor, but it also has an A minor in, which is really nice in the key of G to throw in that A minor. It's the 2 chord, and it's a really nice chord to play in the key of G. So, first things first, let's start with the strumming. Now, you can do a complicated strumming like all these saints and angels. But because this is part of our beginner course, we're going to do a simple strumming. We're just going to do down strums, and we're going to accent the 2 and the 4. The strumming pattern is going to sound like this. Mute all the strings and then play along with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And a 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And 1 and 2. So with an E minor chord, it's going to sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And a 1 and 2. Worthy of it all. You're worthy of it all. For from you are all things, and to you are all things. But I haven't showed you the chords yet, so sorry, I got carried away there. But that's the strumming, and then you can have it be a little bit more complicated, but we'll do that later in the course. We'll do this song again, but then we'll do it with different chords, harder chords, and chords that are more a strumming that's more intense, like where you have some misses. Like, if you want to try that strumming, I'm going to strum it for you slowly. Down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up, down, 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 up, up, down, down, up, up, down, 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 up, up, down, down, up, up, down. All the angels down, 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 down. But that's not the purpose of this lesson. Okay, let's go to the chords. Boom. The chords for this song are really basic. It's got capo on the 2nd fret, capo on the 2nd fret, and you're going to use the chords G, 3, 2, and then 0. This G, not the one with the finger at the bottom. You can do that, or you can use these 2 fingers at the bottom. That sounds really nice. Okay, but this G and C, take that finger down 1 and add this finger underneath the ring finger, the middle finger. By the way, if you've been following along with our beginner course for worship, then we have a detailed video of how to play these chords that we are using. So I'm just giving a quick overview, but we do have a detailed video in this course. Just go to the course page, check out the video, it's free, and then you'll know these chords easily. But for now, I'm just quickly going to go over them. Okay, so G, C, E minor, and and D. G, C, E minor, and D. And then also B minor. So if you take the E minor, take it up 1 and add this finger on the 3rd string, then you get the B minor, 2nd fret. And the A minor, which looks like the C, but it's here in the middle, A minor. All right, that's it. That's it for the chords. Okay, now let's do the chord progression quickly. Okay, so the chord progressions for this song are really simple. It's just got 3 different chord progressions. In the verse, it's mainly C, D, C, D, 4 times C, D, C, D. 4 times and then G. Okay, so C, D, C, D, C, D, C, D, G. And you might see chord charts saying it's C and then D/C. But you don't have to worry about that now. As a guitarist, you will play the D and the bass player will keep playing the C. That's what the D/C means. The lowest note in the chord is going to be to the right of the slash. Okay, so the lowest note in a band is the bass player. So the bass player will stay on the C while you go C, D, C, D. Okay, so that's another thing, the C shape here. You can use that as a D as well if you just shift it up 2 frets, and then just don't play all the strings. So just C, D. Okay, so let's play the verse together. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Bow before your throne. All faster and you worthy of it all. By the way, click the link in the description to download the PDF. Let's go to the chorus. G, chorus is G, D, C, D, G. You're worthy of it, G, da 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 D, da 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 C, da 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 D, da 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 da. Amazing, amazing song. Bridge has got 8 chords, but they're in groups of 4. So think of it as a 4 bars. So it's G, B minor, E minor, C. You day and night, B minor, B minor, E minor, da 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 da, C, ba ba ba, then G to D, ba ba ba, then it's A minor, C, ba da. Okay, so that's it. Have fun playing this song. Just stick with the basic strumming. Play along with the video recording. In the lesson post, the link in the description, you'll get the PDF download. You'll get a page where the strumming is there, the chord progressions, everything. And you'll be able to learn this song like a pro in no time. Okay, guys, have a nice day and see you in the next lesson videos. Cheers!